today's episode of Johnny Fabs, I'm unboxing these Mishimoto Radiator and fan shroud. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm going to unbox them, and then we're going to do the install on the EG Civic hatch. So, I guess we'll open up the fans first. So it's packaged really nice with foam around it, keeping it nice and secure. Foam inside too. And then the shroud itself is wrapped in a plastic. Open that up. So I'm super excited to get these parts. It's always nice when you finally get your parts in. So this looks really nice. All aluminum, has a tag right there. Fan shroud with the plug. I don't know if this is a direct plug or not, but yeah, really nice quality. Let's get the radiator open and we'll get to installing it. Same thing with the foam, keeping it nice and secure in there. Here's the radiator. It looks like it comes with, looks like almost like a, it's like a Vaseline almost. So I'm gonna look up what that's used for. But let's get this radiator unboxed. Wow, this is really nice quality. All polished aluminum. So it has the Mishimoto logo right there with the cap, M on it. The bottom has a drain, and then two like welded threads, I'm guessing for the shroud. And then it has the two ports. So it looks really nice. I'm really pleased at first look at it. We're going to go get the old radiator out of my hatch and then get this new one installed. So I just wanted to show you guys like the difference between the two radiators. You can see how thin this one is, the stock OEM one, versus how thick this Mishimoto one is. That is a 3-row, and then the fan is a lot slimmer. So all in all, with it being such a big radiator and then the slim fan, it's probably about the same size. And another thing to mention, they don't come with hardware to mount the fans. So I took some of the OEM bolts out of that fan shroud. So we're going to go ahead and install this one now. So we just got the radiator installed, as you've seen in the time lapse. I did have some problems where the coolant overflow, it was hitting right here. So I just ended up taking the bottom bolt out right there, leaving the top one, and I'm able to twist it to make that fit. Probably end up going with one of those aluminum, just, you know, can style, but other than that, radiator's in. It looks a lot bigger than the stock one, than the slim fan. Also to note, the slim fan wires right into the stock plug, so you don't have to rewire anything. So yep, here's a look at it. So got the Mishimoto radiator, got the Mishimoto intercooler coming along. I might incorporate into this video, I need to do the water lines onto the turbo for cooling. I know someone commented that below. So I have some -6 fittings, going to be running it to the turbo housing down to the bottom of the radiator. I have some aluminum and bungs, weld that to the aluminum radiator, and then I think I am going to get my supply water down from, there's a plug in the side of the block right there. I don't know if it'll focus, but yep, right there on the side of the block there's a plug. You can pull that plug out and then run the -6 and to the turbo out and then down to the radiator. But I think that's going to be it for this video, guys. Please hit that like button if you like this video on the install and unboxing. Other than that, I might get to those water lines in this video, but if not, I'll see you guys later. Peace.